The Scudo S6 sliding door shower enclosure gives you a shower experience like no other, available here at Bella Bathrooms. Prepare to be stunned by its sleek chrome frame that adds a touch of polish to your bathroom. The crystal clear glass, made from 6mm toughened safety glass, provides a stunning visual appeal and ensures your safety. With its universal design, you can effortlessly open the door from the left or right side, giving you maximum flexibility. The smooth sliding action guarantees a seamless entry every time, creating a hassle-free shower experience that will leave you feeling refreshed and revitalized. But wait, there's more. The Scudo S6 has an Aqua shield glass treatment, making it resistant to water stains and grime. Say goodbye to those tedious cleaning sessions. Designed for corner placement, this incredible shower enclosure features a 1000mm shower door and a 700mm side panel, providing ample light and space for you to relax and unwind in style. Upgrade your bathroom with the Scudo S6 sliding door shower enclosure, where luxury meets purpose. Get ready to step into your own personal oasis. Discover this and the rest of the Scudo shower enclosure range at bellabathrooms.co.uk.